Hello and welcome back. My name is Moshe Karen, and today we'll be going over in Civil 3D 2025 roadway corridors. This is an overview providing a step-by-step project example of how you can create intersections and roads utilizing the latest Civil 3D. This course overview will include a project example of how to create an inverted crown road along with regular crown roads. We'll be discussing alignments and profiles, alignments being the center line of the road, profiles being the elevations. We'll be talking about offset alignments, curb returns, and intersections, and how they all are components of corridors. We'll be going over best practices for creating data shortcuts and creating stable models, along with the assemblies required to create the corridor, and the roadway corridors, talking about the baselines, the regions, the targets, lines and targets, and bears, oh my. So to give a little bit of a context for what we're talking about, let's flash on screen an example completed model. So as we can see on screen, we have in gray our completed roadway surface. If we pan up, when we follow the center line, we can see a regular crowned road where the slopes away that leads into an intersection of an inverted crown where the center line is the low point. Panning to the next example, we can see two inverted crowns as well, where both the center lines are the low points. Now if we open up the corridor basis for this surface file, we can now see the surface as a corridor, and if we turn off conceptual, change it to a wireframe, we can see a little bit more of the makeup of the corridor with its various sections in yellow, its center line, and profile in blue center line. Again, the sections on the right that create that inverted, the curb return along the outer edge profile, and then the targets of the offset alignment profiles. Thank you very much for watching this introduction on how to create a project example of an inverted crown intersection. I hope you will join me for the course, and I'll see you in the next video.